We just moved from Owasso. We paralleled with 86 and we had nothing but road noise. So we were looking for a little bit of peace and quiet, and this was our dream place to come and set up for retirement. My wife has been a teacher in Owasso for 30 years and retired, and I am still at American Airlines, and I've got 6 years before I retire. My stipulation for moving was I needed to find a place where I could actually build a hobby shop. And so we looked around and we found this place, and we got approved by the HOA prior to moving here. And then I called around several different pole barn builders. I narrowed it down to the top 3, and JAG beat them all. They beat them because they were personable. They actually came out to survey the property because it's not level property, so you're going to have to find a location that will be suitable for the build and yourself. They actually took time to sit down and actually explain to me why they were going to do this and explain the total cost and the difference between them and others. They were transparent. They actually did everything they said they were going to do. There was no hidden expenses. Everything that they said it was going to cost, that's what it was. This is a dream come true. I mean, this is beyond what I expected. It's a beautiful, beautiful shop. Being a new shop, I look forward to doing some of the hobbies that I do. And so I build guitars or banjos out of car parts and motorcycle parts. And then I do some industrial woodworking with live edge and metal. And then around Christmas time, I do a workshop for the kids. And so we let them build something that I come up with so they can give their parents a gift for free. It is a much better build than what you get from your cousin or your brother down the road that's going to build a pole barn for you. Plus, you want a company that's going to be around. JAG has been around, and if I have an issue, I know I can call JAG, and they're going to come out and they're going to fix my problem.